If you're thinking of moving to Orchard Hills in beautiful Irvine, California, well, in this video, we're going to take you by 3 homes in the Vistas, at the Groves, in Orchard Hills. Beautiful homes, different price ranges.
And you want to stay with us, and we're going to take you on a driving tour of the different areas. So let's get to it. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome.
If you want to know everything there is to know about living, working, playing, owning a home in Irvine, California, you come to the right channel. So do us a favor, hit the subscribe button, click the bell for notification so we can make you aware the next time we upload a new video on Huntington Beach and Newport Beach and Santa Ana and Irvine and Tustin, North Tustin. We make a lot of videos. Hi, my name is Bruce Clark. This is my beautiful wife, Veronica Rees. And we're real estate agents with Coldwell Banker. And every day we get calls, emails, text messages, people just like you. They're looking to make a move to the area. So whether you're looking to make a move in the next 5 days, 50 days, or further out, give us a call. Shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Irvine, California and surrounding communities. Here we are at one of our favorite communities in Orchard Hills. We're in the Vistas at the Groves at Orchard Hills. The Vistas are Alta Vista and Bella Vista. It's a collection of homes built by Toll Brothers, which is the largest luxury home builder in America. Absolutely gorgeous homes. We love their product. They just make a wonderful home.
And I love the community. This area is just such a beautiful area. As you can see behind us, you have all these beautiful hills. You have amazing hiking trails very nearby. Well, here you can just step out of your house. And then there are so many parks, and they're wonderful parks. I mean, we enjoy the parks with our kids here all the time. And there are a lot of amenities if you like swimming, if you like tennis, if you like
basketball,
volleyball. There's sand courts around also. There's just a plethora, as Bruce likes to say, there's an abundance of amenities that you can enjoy. So
with that, of course, there's going to be a cost. The HOA is $289 a month, not bad. And you have Mello-Roos. Mello-Roos is an infrastructure, basically district. Think of it as a bond. It's created when they add services. For example, first responders, so fire, police stations, when they add schools, when they build roads, somebody's got to pay for it, and that comes down to homeowner. So this home, 113 Dry Creek, was in the market for $5,518,000. The seller dropped the price to $4,999,000. It didn't sell. But we want to come up here and do kind of a deep dive into the Vistas.
Yeah, the street.
One of the reasons why this home is on a 15,208 square foot lot. And a 15,000 square foot lot in Irvine is rare, certainly for new homes. You have some over in Hidden Canyon. You have some in Orchard Hills. Naturally, you have, they're not new, but you have a lot of them over in Shady Canyon.
I think he's following us. Sorry, yeah. I don't know if you can hear. There's someone with a blower behind us, so we're walking. Sorry, but
yeah, okay. It is. They
apologize.
They're clean lawns and homes.
Oh, beautifully maintained.
So, but it's a big lot. It's a corner lot. So the value to having a big lot, of course, you can add a pool. You can do all kinds of things. But it's a corner lot, so no one's to the side of you. It's a 6-bedroom, 6.5 bath. 7,060 square foot home, so it's a big home. Again, it's built by Toll Brothers. It's just absolutely gorgeous. You walk in, dual staircases, very dramatic. You have dual islands, top of line appliances. We just walked through the model for another builder, and the flooring, frankly, was terrible, and it was over $4 million. And so you can have cork. You can, they'll screw the floors down. It really makes a big difference.
Yes. Especially when you're downstairs and people are walking around.
That's true. That's so true.
Installation matters.
That's that very true. The melding of the indoor-outdoor space. Toll Brothers a lot of builders do it well, but Toll Brothers has really, because of the size of homes, they can add pocket doors, disappearing doors. They can add no corner pocket doors. They can add lanai doors. Just lots of things.
A lot of doors.
A lot of doors, a lot of windows. But they're dramatic homes. Again, you walk in, a dual staircase. You've got multiple bedrooms downstairs, naturally with 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths.
I'd like to show
they're all en suite. So they're all the homes, all the bedrooms have their own bathroom.
Sorry about that. Just want to show some of the features, the water features also. See behind you, or walk.
It's a great development.
Let's just turn you around a little bit
So
there.
that is a Vistas at the Groves
So
in Orchard Hills.
I do want to take you over here. We're walking toward the cul-de-sac, and this is right at the end of the street, and it's a beautiful view. We just want to show you some of the views, some of the lots on the end here.
Some of these homes, based on orientation, potentially could even see Los Angeles on a clear day. Interestingly, people think that it's really hilly on the way to LA, but it's not. Around us, there's a lot of hills, but on the way to LA, there's not a lot of hills. So it's you can actually see LA on a clear day.
Turn us around here so that you could see what we're looking at. You want to go ahead and there we go.
Great views. So you've got Costa Mesa, Newport. You have all kinds of things. You could definitely see the fireworks from Disneyland. 9:30 at night, every night at 9:30, they have fireworks from Disneyland. So you'll see those here. But you've got Newport, and theoretically you could see the ocean. You wouldn't really.
That's that way.
You see a glint off the ocean. But being up this high, a glint, little. Being up this high, you're going to get a little better breeze than you will down in the valley, so to speak. Which you'll note, some of the other homes here in Orchard Hills certainly aren't going to have this view.
So you want to stay with us because we're going to take you on a driving tour of this area as we go on to home number 2. Hi, so we're walking up to home number 2. So here we are at the Trevi.
The Trevi development by the new home company at the Groves in Orchard Hills. This was one of the first developments. These were the largest homes until Toll Brothers came and built the Alta Vista Bella Vista, which is home number 1 and home number 3. 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, fantastic home. Really like the home. It's a 8,100 plus square foot lot. Home's almost 6,000 square feet. Now what's interesting, they have a pool and a jacuzzi that's in the courtyard. So instead of the back. So it's an 8,000 square foot lot. Space was limited. So that's the way they got that. These are unique. Some of these models here, they have a 4-car garage. So they have tandem. So there's you're gonna park one in front of the other. So there's not 4 separate doors or 2 big doors. You have but it's 4-car parking, which is very unusual in Irvine.
Beautiful views also. There's so behind the house here, it's a yard.
It's a yard.
It's a nice size lot. So nice size lot, but you have gorgeous views looking from your backyard space area, and then beautiful kitchen.
Big kitchen, big center
island, beautiful.
Big slab of granite, which we always like.
Beautiful master bathroom as well. It's a gorgeous master bath. Beautiful.
Big walk-in closet.
Oh, closets are important. Very important, but also it was a very nice bathtub, separate shower, of course, and just beautiful stone. And it's
very dramatic entrance, and a lot of these homes, they have higher ceilings than quote unquote other production homes. The HOA is $279 a month, so a little lower than Alta Vista. You still have mellow roofs. Mellow roofs last between 26 to 30 years. So this home was built in 2015, so you still got almost 20 years to 23 years of paying the infrastructure bond, basically is what it is. But
great schools, as you mentioned also, and everything is new. So we're going to turn around so you can actually see the home. Because of where the sun is right now, it's a little bit difficult, but I think there we go. So you should be able to see the home behind us.
Stick with us, give you a driving tour of the Trevi development here in Orchard Hills. So here we are, home number 3. This home came off the market and sold for $6,480,000. 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 12,324 square foot lot. Has a great backyard, has a pool, entertainer's backyard, and certainly you're talking 500 to 750,000. This one, it's a little lower elevation. This is a Kalina estate, little lower elevation than home number 1, but Alta Vista, Toll Brothers, absolutely fantastic home, top-notch build quality.
And as we discussed in the last home that we saw, you have the avocado groves behind us, and you have the beautiful hills. It's really a beautiful area. Just it really is. It's just beautiful community, beautiful area.
Idyllic setting. I would use the idyllic. One of the nice things we like about these homes is the offset. So you'll notice we don't have, these are not 3-acre lots. So you're fairly close to your neighbors. But unlike some other developments here in Orchard Hills, you do have some offsets. So that means you have some space between yourself.
Yes.
I forgot to mention, these homes come with phenomenal balconies off the master bedrooms. So they're en suite, so all the bedrooms have their own bathrooms. That's a big deal. Some of them have dual center islands, some have dual staircases. All of them have mellow roofs. HOA is $289 a month. So all the homes we're going to show you today. We're still, again, Toll Brothers. Fantastic home, fantastic product. They really do stand behind their home. I've sold new homes from Toll Brothers, and the walkthrough was amazing. The attention to detail, and we say God's in the details. Again, we go through a lot of homes. It's funny because my sisters will come out, they'll call me, and Veronica and I will be looking at a home, and they say, "Don't you ever work?" We say, "This is what we do. We go in a lot of homes. We go a lot of homes for you." But we wanted to do a deep dive in Alta Vista. Fantastic community. There's a little breeze here. It's not as high an elevation as the first home we saw, but you're still getting a nice breeze. And you have access to all the pools. You have a lot of pools, jacuzzis, but this has a private pool. Definitely want to stick with us. And we're going to show you more driving footage here in the Vistas at the Groves in Orchard Hills. Let's get to it. This wraps up our video. We really appreciate you joining us. We're enjoying a dark chocolate mocha from Pete's. Yeah.
Usual almond cappuccino, almond milk cappuccino. He loves sharing what he's eating with you guys.
There's so much good stuff out there. And it's a blueberry crumble muffin. So we're enjoying. And we always close a local establishment because we actually are out in the community. We're not just in the office recording. We're actually out there.
And we love doing this. We love recording videos for you and bringing you the different neighborhoods and just giving you an idea of what's out there. And we appreciate your input. We appreciate when you letting us know when you like something, and also if there's something that you don't. We just would really love you to just type something in the comments or just shoot us a message. We'd love to hear from you.
So whether you're looking to make a move in the next 5 days, 50 days, or further out, give us a call. Shoot us a text, send us an email. My lovely wife and I love to help you make a smooth move to Irvine, California and surrounding communities.